Today we will do nested ifs. What will we do?
Nested ifs.
Now what is nested? Nested means one inside the other. One inside the that is called as what?
Nested.
Nested. That is called as nested. This WhatsApp is updating. I close the WhatsApp. Okay, now you see my screen.
Yes, yes.
So what is nested meaning?
One inside the other.
One inside the other. Like if I have one box, what is this?
Box.
Then inside that one more box. Now what is this called as? This is a box. This is a inside that one more box. So this we will call as nested box. Nested
box.
Okay. Like can you give me more example of nested? One thing inside another thing.
Yes.
Like example, one inside the other. Can you think of any other example of nested?
Circle. Inside circle.
Okay, very nice. Circle inside circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So this is circle. Inside it another circle. So
yes,
what is it?
Nested.
Yes.
Nested
So
box.
this circle.
Circle.
So
nested.
This is outer circle. This is inner circle, right? This is
outside. Outer.
yes. So this is outer box. This is
inner.
so when we have one thing inside another, it is called as nested. It is called as nested. Now we will take some more example. Okay. Now
yes.
This is okay. I will take one new page. Okay.
Yeah, Doctor, so this lecture you are recorded.
Yes,
right?
yes. I am recording this lecture. No problem. Yes, it is a recording. Okay. Now this is if. What is this?
If.
And some condition to if. Okay.
Yes.
Now in this if I have one more if. Now what will you call this?
Yes. This is nested.
Nested if. Understood?
Yes.
So nested mean one inside the other. Okay. That is called as what?
Nested.
Nested. Okay. Are you getting this question?
Yeah. Understand.
You understand, right? Very good.
Yes.
So we will have one if that if is true, if that if is
True.
then it will go to the inside if this is false, it will not go to the inside. Okay.
Yes.
So when will it go to the inside? When outer is true. When outer is true. Okay. So now if we will check, do you watch football?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you watch World Cup?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say France. Let's say France win semi-final. Wins which
Okay.
one?
Semi-final.
Semi-final. Which team did France defeat in semi-final?
Argentina.
Argentina. Okay. So if France wins semi-final, then we will
Yes.
check if France win final. If France win,
Final.
so here you will see out France wins World Cup. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay. So now if France loses the semi-final, what will happen? Will France play final?
No, they go out.
They go out, right?
Yes.
So if the outer is false, it will not go in inner. So here is, this is condition, right? If France win,
France win.
then if France win final, they will win the World Cup, right?
Yes.
So when will they play final? When condition is true, right?
Yeah, when they win.
And when condition is false,
They won't take.
they will directly go out. They will directly go where?
Out.
If condition is false, they will directly go here.
Yes.
Are you understanding?
Mhm.
Just for your easiness, I am doing this so that you understand the concept.
Yes, yes.
So if the outer is false, will it go in inner?
No.
So if the output is true, then it will go in inner. Now
Yeah.
if they this is true means
If it's true, France wins the World Cup.
if it is false,
It goes out.
it goes out, right?
Yes.
So it will go out over here if it is false, directly out. If it is true, then come inside, check. If this is true, it will go inside. If it is false, it will go outside, correct? Understanding this concept?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so now if I tell you that when for license, what is the rule for license in Saudi Arabia?
The what?
For to get car license, driving license,
You mean the age?
what is the condition?
You have to your eyes.
First, we will say citizen of Saudi Arabia. What is the first rule?
Citizen of Saudi Arabia.
And if he is citizen of Saudi Arabia, he should be more above
20.
20 or 18 for license.
No, 20 for not citizen.
License. Okay. Now, what is the two condition to get license?
The citizen and age 20.
So, if let's say if I come to Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
So let's say if someone is coming from outside India, will he get license?
Yeah.
Okay, then citizen of South is not compulsory, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then what is compulsory?
You
You
have
should-
to be
Residence proof. Okay,
yeah.
you should have some residence proof. You should have some,
Residence proof.
whether he is local or whether he is from other country, but he should have some residence proof. What do you all call residence proof?
In Saudi,
Ha,
Igama.
ikama.
Yeah.
So you should have a ikama and his age should be more than 20, right?
Yes, yes.
So if let's say now, so we will take two variables. How many variables we will take?
2.
First is integer residence, okay,
Yes.
and second is integer age. Integer
8.
age. Now we will ask the user, enter residence proof. Enter.
Residence proof.
Do you have Ikama? What will you ask him?
Yeah, we found.
Enter 1 for yes, 0 for no. Okay, and we will take it in which variable?
The same resident.
Understood this?
Yes, yes.
And then what will we ask?
Do you have residence proof?
No, no.
Is your age?
Enter age. Enter.
8.
And we will take in which variable?
8.
Now what is the condition for this to be issued?
For what?
For license to be issued, what will we check? If residence is equal to 1, residence equal to 1, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then he will come inside, and then we will check if age is greater than equal to
20.
20. If this both condition is true, we will say what?
Seat, you allow issue.
Okay. Now, if he says residence is 0, what is enters?
If you say what? Residence is 0.
0 means, do you have Ikama? 1 for yes, 0 for no. If you enter 0 means
You don't have.
you don't have. Now, is residence equal to 1?
Yeah, yes.
No, he's 0, no.
Okay.
Okay, let me show this. Let me show this to you. Let's run this, okay? Let's run this and then we will check.
Yeah.
Now, this is the code, right?
Yes.
But we are doing C++.
Change void.
And change this to. Now run, okay?
Yes.
Now if someone comes, he says 0. He says what?
0.
So directly it will go out. Directly it will go where?
Out.
Because this condition is false, no?
Yeah.
Is it equal to 1?
Approach condition.
Is it equal to 1? Here.
Yes.
Is it equal to 1?
Yes.
No. 0.
What?
What did I enter?
Enter enter 0.
0. So 0 I enter. So is 0 equal to 1?
No.
For true or false?
False.
So they have lost the semi-final. They have lost the.
Semifinals.
So will they go in the final?
No.
So will it show issue license?
No, no.
It will not issue. Okay. So when I just say 0, and enter age. Let's say if age is 25.
Yeah.
Now the outer is false. It will not go in inner. Okay. Nothing.
Yes.
And now if I run again. This,
Mister, the screen light.
yeah, screen. One sec. I will just show you. Now you can see the screen.
Yes, no, I can.
Now I run. So now if I enter 1 means what?
Yes.
They have won the semi-final. Enter age
Yeah.
25. Now they have won the final also. Now what?
Now,
Ikama also there and age also there. Now what to do?
oh, it will come, yes.
You see
Visualize.
where this handle came from? Where did the handle come from? Issue license and year. Double quote should close here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Double should close where? Yeah.
And
So this is like one inside the other. Are you getting this?
yes, yes, I'm understanding.
Okay. Is there any easy way you can do this?
For what?
This issue license. Like what is the rule for issuing license?
What is the what?
What is the rule for issue license? What is the condition to get license?
You have to be more than 20.
Hmm? You have to have a you have to have a ikama and your age should be more than
20.
Have you done logical operators with you and or?
Logical operators?
Have you done with you logical operators and or not?
No, we don't take it.
Hmm?
No, we don't take it.
We don't take. Okay, we'll take. See. See here. You see this?
Yeah.
So we are doing logical operators. What are we doing?
Logical operator.
There are 3 logical operators. How many logical operator?
3.
And, or, and their sign for and is, what is the sign for and?
Yes.
What is the sign for and?
Sign for add.
And.
Ah, this one.
What is it?
And.
Double and what is the sign for or? You know you have enter keyword, enter key.
Enter key.
Yeah, just above the enter key.
There is yeah, I see.
Yeah, press shift and that key.
Ah, it will come.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is the sign for and?
And shift and.
No, this 2 times and. Sign for or?
Above the enter.
And sign for not is? Exclamation mark. Understood this?
Yeah.
Now when
the and I can do shift and 4.
Shift and 7.
I have 4.
You have 4, yes. So for you 4. Shift and 4.
Yes.
Okay, for me it is 7.
Okay.
So now what is and? And means, see, you drive a car. So how many tires are there in a car? How many wheels?
4.
4 wheel. And how many? Okay, now I will just show. So now this is your car. How many wheels is your car having?
4.
Now if one tire is punctured, will your car move ahead?
No, it can't.
So what is the rule? All the 4 should have air.
Pressure.
If one tire is flat, if one tire is not having air,
Yeah.
Will your car move?
No.
So for the car to move, all the tires should have air, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Even if one is not having, it is false. So now we have 4 tires, right?
Yeah.
Front left, right?
On the left, right.
And front right, right?
Yes.
And rear left and rear right, correct?
Yes.
If front left is having air, front right also having air, right
Yeah.
left having air, but right is not having air, will the car move?
No.
So all should be true, right?
Yes.
Okay, now front right having air, front left having air, front right not having air. Now true or false, will the car move?
False. No.
What is the condition for the car to move?
All the tires have pressure.
All should have. Now
Now true.
true. So and what and says, all the conditions should be true for output should be true. What does and say?
All the tires should be true.
All the input condition must be true, must be,
No. True.
then only output will be true, then only.
Output will be true.
If any one is false, then
That will be false.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me for this. Now
False.
false. For the rule is what?
It all has to be true.
If any one is false, then
It become false.
understood this? Clear?
Yes, yes.
Now what or will do, what or will say any one condition should be true. What should be true?
Any condition should be true.
Any one condition should be true. Any one
Condition can be true.
okay. So you have SIM card.
Yes.
So when you go to buy SIM card, when you go to,
Life.
he asks you for ID proof.
Yeah.
Shopkeeper asks for ID proof, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So ID proof, you can show passport, yes.
Yeah.
You can show driving license.
Yes.
Then you can show your ikama.
Yes.
Or your civil ID, whatever civil ID you have. Civil ID, you have some civil ID over there.
Yeah.
So you can show anything from this, yes or no?
Yeah, to compare.
So if I have passport and if I don't have driving license and civil ikama, will it give me SIM card?
Yes.
Okay, if I don't have passport, don't have license, but I have civil ID, will you give me passport?
Yeah, I'll give you the SIM card.
SIM card. If I have passport but don't have driving license and ikama, will you give me SIM card?
Yeah. Yeah, no.
If I don't have anything,
No,
then
you can't give.
so what does or say?
All is true.
Or says what?
If you have one condition true,
Any one condition is true Output will be true, right?
Yes.
Understood this difference?
Yes.
Understood difference between and or? And not is reverse. Not is reverse. So not will reverse. Boy, reverse is opposite is
Yeah.
short. Opposite is
Tall.
fat. Opposite is
Slim.
okay, slim, thin, whatever you call. So not will reverse. Not will do what?
Reverse.
So true. Then what is not true? True will become false. True will become
False.
and false will become
True.
true. Not will just reverse. What will not do?
Reverse.
Reverse the condition. What will not will
Reverse the condition.
reverse the condition. Understood this?
Yes. Yes.
So understood the three logical operators.
Yeah. Understood.
What is not?
What is
Not is, you see, read here. What is and?
says on both condition and must be only there only output will be true.
So and what does and say? All the input should be true.
Yeah, all must be true.
And what does or say? Or
Say only one condition must be true. The output.
and what does not say?
Just one condition has to be true.
No, not. Not. What does not say? Not this one.
Yes.
Hmm.
For what?
Not.
Yeah.
What does not say?
Says any one condition true, output will be true.
No, that is or. That is or. Not will say just reverse. Not will say what?
Reverse.
So if true, it will become.
True, it will become more.
If it true, it will become
True.
false. And if it is false, it will become.
True.
So not will just reverse the condition. Understood this?
Yes.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
Now let's do the. Now what is the condition to issue license? Yes, Mohammad. What is the condition to issue license?
The age has to be 20 and has not begun.
Yes, and what you will say? So I can just put it in one condition, okay?
This is one.
So and else I will say don't issue license, okay? If it is false, then
Then issue license.
understood this?
Yes.
So if residence, so if I enter over here 1, if I enter here what?
Yeah.
Are you seeing the screen?
Yeah, I see it.
So if I enter here 1 and if I enter here age as 11, okay? Hello?
Yes.
So
Yes.
is residence equal to 1, true or false?
True.
So this is true. Is age greater than 20?
True.
No, age is 11.
You got here 11. Then false.
False. Now, true and false. True.
And false.
What will it give? True or false?
True will give false.
Because in and you need all the true, right? So what will we say?
False.
Means what? The condition is false. The condition is
False.
so when it condition is false, it will go where? Over here, or will it go in else?
To go to else.
And what will we say?
Out.
Cannot issue license, right?
No, cannot issue.
Why? Because his age is 11, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, if he enters over here 0 and here if he enters 25, now
Not really true.
so is residence equal to 1?
No, it equals to 0 now.
So false. Is age greater than 20?
Yeah.
True. False and true?
Equals to true.
No, it is and in between. And means both should be true.
Oh,
So false and true will be what?
false.
False. So if this entire will be false, so what will we say?
Cannot issue license.
Understood?
Yeah.
Are you getting the point?
Yeah, I'm understanding.
Okay. Now if he enters this 0 and 11, is residence equal to 1?
False. All false.
Is age greater than equal to false and false?
Equals to false.
So what will we say?
Cannot issue license.
And now if he says 1 and 25, is residence equal to 1?
True.
Is age greater than 20?
True.
True. True and true.
Equals true.
So if this entire will be true, and what will we say?
Issue license.
Understood?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's run this now. Let's run this. Okay?
But I change the main.
Yes?
You put void main.
Yeah, not a problem.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, I run this. And now tell me, you tell me, what should I enter?
Enter for first one, yes.
1, okay. And
1. Age, enter. Enter 19.
19. So tell me, what will you say?
It will come false.
So what will we say? False means issue or no, cannot issue.
Cannot issue license.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
Understood?
Yes, yes.
And now if I say 0 and 25, now
Yeah.
what? Issue or cannot issue?
False. Cannot issue license.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now if I say 0 and 11,
0 and false. Cannot issue license.
and if I want license to be issued, if I say 1 and 25, then
True. You can issue license.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Mohammad, if I put over here or, what will be the difference? Tell me.
Or
What is the difference now if I put or?
now it will be best.
Hmm?
No. If one statement will be true,
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
So if you are making software for Saudi government and
Yeah.
you just make one small mistake, how much loss the government will have? Remember? So if you are making a software for RTO, Saudi RTO, and instead of and you give or, what will happen?
it will be true. It will not make big.
So now what will happen over here? So now what have I given?
25.
Okay, now if I give 1 and 15, what will happen?
True.
So residence equal to 1, true or false?
True.
True. And age greater than 20, false or true?
False.
True or false?
True.
True. So what will it say?
Issue license.
Understood this difference?
Yeah.
Now let's do this. Okay. Now 1 and 15. What will you say?
Issue license.
Do you want to make such software for government
Yeah.
like this? Or you want to make and?
Do it.
Yes. So understood.
Yeah.
So there is new programmer. He write over here or. Now you are senior. You are his manager. You will look at the code and you will say, brother, you have made mistake. You make like this. Okay. Understood the difference?
Yeah.
This is called logical operators. Okay. Okay. And if you want to add one more condition, that ikama, age, and eyesight.
Yeah.
So that should be more than 8.
Yes.
Enter what?
Enter eyesight.
Eyesight number. Enter what?
Eyesight number. Now I have to add it.
So now for that you should have more than 8. Eyesight should be.
More than 8.
So what will you use? And or or?
Now you have to use and.
So what does this mean now? Tell me, what does this mean?
Residence 1, age 20, I 8. But how much the limit for I?
8.
8?
Yeah. You have. That is a number given from 1 to 10. It is a number given from
1 to 10.
So whose eyesight is good will have 8, 9, 10. And whose eyesight is not good will have 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so the last thing to be issue license. To become issue license.
Yeah. So if I enter over here 5 now.
It will cannot issue.
Why cannot issue? Because it is now true. It is now true, false, and true, false and false, right?
Yes.
And what have I given in between?
I am saying a false.
We have given and, right? In what have we given in and?
And yes.
So true, false, false. What is it?
And to become false.
So what will we say?
Cannot issue license.
And if I enter 1, 25 and 5, then?
On the eyesight 5.
Yeah, 5.
And all GT.
So now again. No, so what will we get over here? For 1, 25 and 5, what will we get? No, true, false, no. In and.
No, eyesight 5. Cannot visualize.
Okay. And now if I enter over here 9.
Now T, it will visualize.
T, right?
Yeah.
So we can keep on adding the condition. You can keep on adding the
condition.
Okay.
Yes.
So here now, what happened? Error. Semicolon missing. Okay, semicolon missing over here. Yes, Muhammad. Now if I enter over here 1, Ikama is
Okay.
there, age is also there, and eyesight also good. Now
Issue license.
true, 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 issue license. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now do we what? Do you have Vasta over there? Vasta?
What?
Contacts. Like if you have contacts in the ministry, what do you call?
I didn't get it.
No, you have some contacts in the ministry over there. Like some minister is your friend.
Ministry.
Yeah. If some minister is a friend, then we can call him and he will give us license.
Yeah.
So what do you call that?
He will be an officer.
Mm-hmm.
He will be a sergeant.
No. Like if your uncle is a minister.
Yeah.
So if your uncle gives a call to the license officer that he is my nephew, give him license.
Yeah.
It happens over there.
Yeah. We do that.
Hmm?
It happens every time.
What?
I did it.
So
My father got some guy, you know him, and police station.
now if he is document, then he has to give like this, right?
Yeah.
Or else you can ask him integer uncle. What?
Teacher uncle.
So we can tell him what are we asking?
Is your uncle minister?
And we will take in which variable?
Uh,
Which way? And what will he say? 1 for yes and 0 for?
no.
So if so for license to be issued, either you should have this or his uncle should be minister. Are you getting the point over here, Muhammad?
Yes.
What?
That his uncle is minister give one, is not is give zero.
So okay, if someone comes, he does not have ikama, his age is 19 and eyesight is 5. Eyesight is?
Five.
So now tell me, residence 1, true or false?
False.
False. And age?
8. False.
I?
False.
False and false and false. This bracket will be what? This bracket.
Would be false.
So this bracket will be false, right? But his uncle is a minister. Uncle is a?
Minister.
So uncle equal to 1 is true or false?
True.
True. So this bracket is true. This bracket is?
True.
True. And now in between we have true or false. What we have?
True or false?
So what will this be?
True.
Issue license. Understood?
Hmm.
Are you getting the point, Muhammad?
Yeah. It's fine.
Now let's run this. Okay?
Mister,
Yes.
why you put or why you don't continue on?
Hmm?
Why you put or why you don't continue on?
No, if you don't satisfy, but your uncle is minister, you will still get. And
but why you don't put and?
okay, I will show you. Okay, let's come. Ikama is there.
Yes.
Ikama is there.
No.
Age,
19.
eyesight.
5.
Now, should he get license?
No.
But his uncle is minister. Then,
Yes, you will get.
so understood.
So, Mister, if the last statement I want to put the last condition, if I wanted to make it
Like this.
yes, I have to put all.
Like this, you are saying.
Yeah. I mean, why you want to put it?
So this means all these conditions should be true for license. So if anybody's uncle is not minister, he will not get license.
So or is for accept.
Yeah, or is for this. So either you will get on your documents or you will get on your uncle's connection. Understood?
Yes.
So, okay, let's see, I will show you. Now, he has Ikama.
No.
Yes, 1.
Okay.
Age is 25. Okay. Eyesight is 9. True.
Okay.
And his uncle is not minister. Will he get license?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why I have given or. That's why I have given. So either you will get a license on your documents or you will get license on your uncle's phone call.
So this is accept for itself.
Yes. Understood?
Yes.
So what happens if I give a and over here?
It will not.
It will make compulsory that your uncle should be minister for license.
Yeah.
Understood? Not understood.
Understand.
Understand, right?
Yeah.
Easy. Very good. Now I will give you one assignment. What is the marriage age for men in Saudi Arabia? Legal marriage age?
From 24 to 27, 28.
No, legal marriage age. Like how many?
23.
21 for men
Yeah.
and 18 for women. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now what I want you to do is accept the gender, accept the
Gender.
and age, accept the gender and age, and tell me whether he or she is eligible for marriage.
You want me to say she can get married or not?
Yes. So you will take two variable, integer gender and integer age. Okay. You see the screen?
Yes.
Then what will you say? See out, enter age. What will you say?
See out
Well, enter gender. Enter what?
Gender.
1 for male, 0 for female. What will you say?
1 for gender, 1 for male.
1 for male and 0 for female, right?
Yeah.
And then you will see in which variable? Gender. And then what will you say again?
Say out enter age.
And you will see in which variable?
Age.
Now tell me, what condition will you apply?
And age.
Now what will be your condition? Tell me.
If she.
If okay, let's try for see Mohammad. In this if, let's take two brackets, one for male, one for female. Okay.
Okay.
So what will be for male? Tell me. For male, gender will be 1.
Have to be age more than 20.
Gender is 1 and more than 21, right?
Yes.
And for female?
For female, 0 and age 18.
What will you put in between? One person will either be male or female.
Yes.
So like this, understood? You put a or in between. What will you put?
Or.
Because one person will either be a male or he will be a female, right?
Yes.
Understood, Mohammed?
Understand.
So now you want to take a screenshot of this and solve this. And then in this, if you say eligible for marriage, and in else you say not eligible for marriage. Okay?
So you want me to say if she can get married or not?
Yes.
And the man, he can get married or not?
Yes. In the if you can say get married, cannot get married.
Okay.
And this will be the condition. So if gender is male, the age should be
21.
and if gender is female, age should be
18.
and you should either be from this or you should be from this. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you take a screenshot of this. Taken a screenshot?
Yeah, I take it.
Okay. So if now someone comes and say 1 and age 25, what will you say?
You can get married.
So gender equal to 1, true or false?
True.
True. Age 21?
True.
True. Gender equals to 0?
False.
Age greater than 21? Greater than 18?
False.
True. No, 25 is greater than 18.
True.
True and true. What will true and true give you?
False.
True and true.
True and true.
True. False and true.
False and true will give you true.
False.
False. It's like math.
Yeah. False and true will give you what?
You give me F and then you give me T. And then it will be false.
So in your bike front tire is not having air. Back tire is having air. Will your bike move?
No, it will not.
So false and true is what?
False.
False. Now true or false? True or
False.
what is it? True or false?
True or false will give you
Or means anyone is true.
so if one condition is true.
Yeah. So what is true or false? One condition is true, no?
True.
So what will it give you?
Can get married.
He can get married. Understood?
Yes.
So if he enters 1 and 15, now let's do this again. Let's do this again. Tell me. 1. So tell me now.
You know the picture you did for or and in and
That you will get in the video then. So now 1. Now is gender equal to 1? True or false? True. Is age greater than equal to 18?
Yes. True.
No, 15.
But here 15. False.
False. Is gender equal to 0?
False.
False. Is age greater than equal to 18?
Yes. True.
No, I have put age 15.
15. False.
False. Now, true and false.
True and false will be true.
False, because and both should be true. Okay.
Yes.
And false
Will be false.
False or false.
False or false will be false.
So what will you say? What will you say to a man who is 15 years old?
Don't go to marriage.
Understood?
Yes.
So like this, now I want you to solve this and send me the screenshot. Okay?
Okay.
I'll just
try to